know, guys, we are going to make an 8 by 8 pyramid, or at least with 36 cups. Let us start. Almost there, and done. This is how it looks like. Here is it close up. It's pretty giant in person. Uh, yeah, that's how it looks like. Let's count. I know I already said this in the beginning. It's 36 cups. But let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And I hope you guys enjoyed my short